Are you the one who is actively applying for the remote internships just to get some experience to add it in your portfolio to showcase your clients? So hear me out because today's video can open up your whole eyes. But why listen to me? I am Asutosh Pradhan. I am been into this online business from the last 17 months while reading like 37 plus books in that time period while applying for the 17 of internships while work only for the one internship. So at the end of this video, we'll exactly know why you should apply to internships and how you should be aware of the scam internships to improve and get the real experience. First, I will move to the topic. Is it what to do an internship? Is it what to get some experience from the different companies by applying my skills and stuff? I will say absolutely yes. And if you are the one who is watching in your first or second month of your online business journey, then I will say go and search for an internship and apply right now because you are in your learning phase. While you will apply, you can apply your learning to something real world in your work. So when you will get the experience out of there with your learning phase, then you will get the very good outcraft. And you can also showcase your client, hey, I work for this company as an intern. This is my work. This is my portfolio. Then you will have the more credibility and client will believe you more in your work. While me myself, I applied my first internship at my 14th of month of online business journey because I didn't have any solid client background or as a client experience. So I was hungry for getting any kind of real world experience. And I have a lot of knowledge in my field, but I think I should apply for something to get experience to showcase as a experience when I will work with freelance clients. So I searched for some internship. I applied for the social media and marketing internship. While in this 3 months, not only as an intern, I become also a team leader when I was doing well in my team. I saw in the whole in this 3 months, like in every 1 week or 2 week, 1 2 interns are quitting the internship because they think this is boring thing because we are doing the same thing again and again, and that's the stupidity. You will not can't improve with that mindset because the freelancing and the skills you have to craft it every single day, and the internship should be feel like the job, but this job thing not only make you better because this job is not only a job, it's a chance or opportunity to craft your skills because the opportunity you got, you can be more creative whatever you're doing, you can test out a lot of stuff because the internship gave you that opportunity to explore yourself and to be creative and to stand out to do something amazing in it. And if you're the one who is the mid journey who didn't get any client experience, I will say just go and apply for the internship. And some are also debated in that topic. I got the client experience. Should I go and go for any internship? I will say you should or you shouldn't because you have the previous client experience, so you can pitch to other clients because you have previous client experience. If you're the one who doesn't have, you are bound to apply for any LinkedIn internship or any internship. And in my internship, I didn't only know about the social media and marketing stuff. I also understand the business model, like how the higher level management to the lower level management things work. In the lower level of management, we are all the normal interns. In the mid level, or the team leaders, HR, and at the top, co-founder, assistant of CEO. So how we communicate with all these three levels? So I know all about these three levels in my internships, and also the procedure of everything, like how to communicate, how to be in the best in your domain, also about the other domain like HR, what's the work of HR, human recruiter. He will give and attract a lot of students, a lot of interns, and a lot of people to this company. While the sales and marketing interns, what they do, they generate sales for the company, either for the B2B or for the B2B, B2C market. They collect emails, they found leads. So they are actually learning the process, whatever and what is working on company. So internship is not only about doing the work, it's about getting experience and be better at your craft. Some also say this is a job. Freelance is also a job until you scale this freelancing skill to an agency or to something big, because you are the solopreneur, you're doing everything in your own, you got the time, but still it will call as job because you are working for someone. If you're working for someone, it's not none other than a job. So if you're just started out, I will say fine to have that job, do it for like some years to get some amount of money to start it out something, agency and stuff. And I saw a lot of people out there who will start their agency for the very first day and didn't know shit about online business marketing, anything about any skill, what how the things work. Then they will start at the day one, I will start agency. You will gonna fucked off because you don't know how the market works and how you don't know how to manage the stuff and how the things actually works and stuff. It's not about only sales and marketing, it's the other skills, copywriting, video editing and stuff. If you know have a little bit knowledge of these things, then you are capable of running an agency. And I got a lot of offer from my journal channel. Someone asked me, hey, can you start an agency? I said, I'm not qualified it till yet because I'm not good at outreach and sales. I know what I'm good at. I'm good at my craft. I'm making content nowadays. I'm getting better at my communication and sharing value to the people, but I don't know have enough knowledge and better at outreach and sales. So, so until I have the capital and with the proper knowledge, then I am able to start an agency by hiring people. An agency is not only about the one people; it's about having a lot of people. And I don't know about AI in the future, what will come and what not. But for the next 5 years, you should have a team. Or if you will do everything alone, you will trade your whole time just managing the stuff, everything. So just part your work to someone, just take a big decisions like closing, giving the money, and managing all the upper level and the lower level and the middle level by managing by team. And what is the eligibility of applying for internship? If you are just 10th class pass out, then the more probability you will get any kind of internship. And also some internship ask for some specific degree. Like 30 to 40% of the internship ask that when I saw that. And in the 99% of in the job or 90% of the job, they ask for a basic degree. Maybe like, bro, I can't do any job. But internships, if you're just high school pass out, and sometimes in 20-30% of the internships, they then just ask for 10 pass out. You can go and apply very easily. It's very easy to get an internship nowadays, but just you have to stand out. And the second and the most underrated thing is internship scam. No one's talk about it. It's in the verified platform like LinkedIn. I applied for like 17 of internships. I got 3 to 4 scam. They called me. I said, okay, I have to do this as a sales and marketing intern. But they first offer me, we will not teach you anything, but first you have to generate some sales for our product. Then I said, okay, I will do that. Then after being for understanding like a first 1 2 hour of that being intern, like I realized that who the hell first give the work as an intern? They first train you, they select you, they train you, then they give you the work. But they first giving you the work. They say, hey, just go and ask your contact, your any relative, or just post it in your every social media so we can get one sale. Then we can promote you as a intern, as a qualified intern to do the continue the internship. And we be like, bruh, is it even real? Then I go and check it in YouTube and some source or some platforms. Then I say if someone is first saying you to selling their info and stuff, then they are the fucking scam. Then I'm being aware. I got the call like this, like 2 3. Then I thought, nah, you guys are scammed. I will not work with them. Once you got the right one who is training you, who is providing the right resources, then giving you the right thing to work, then you can go for them. because in this world experience more matter with the skills. If you have the skills with experience, you will gonna fucking kill it. And I know a lot of people who have a crazy skills, some in specific things, but they don't have experience. So that's where they lack. I will say minimum bare experience, 1 or 2 internships, and that's enough to showcase your client or whomever you want. So that's it. You just learn how internships can help you in your freelance journey or in your online business journey. And if you want to know more about how you can apply for the LinkedIn internships and what's the step-by-step selection process, I recently made a video on that. Go and watch it and see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye, see ya, peace out.